Intimate, romantic, and absolutely gorgeous, Tensing Pen Resort, perched on the world-famous cliffs in Negril, is stunningly beautiful. At Tensing Pen, you'll find uniquely designed thatch-roofed cottages offering private seclusion among a jungle of exotic flowers and lush tropical foliage. Each hand-built with high-quality local stone, wood, thatch, and artwork that truly embraces the Caribbean lifestyle. Inside are island chic rooms featuring exposed wooden beams, canopy beds, and endless ocean views. What truly sets Tensing Pen apart is the staff that welcome you into what feels like a family. When you're ready to leave your suite, go and listen to the sound of the waves in the open-air restaurant that frames blue-on-blue views of the sky and the sea. That's also open to off-property guests. Choose from items done to order and using the finest and freshest ingredients. With Caribbean-inspired serenity, Tensing Pen is the ideal place to relax, unwind, and rejuvenate. With yoga practice overlooking the gorgeous sea views and an open-air spa, gentle ocean breezes glide across your body as trained therapists help you de-stress and truly relax into your vacation. For an unforgettable vacation or even a wedding, at Tensing Pen you'll find that life is simple.